What you're seeing isn't a jewel. It's not a toy. What you're looking at is, gram for gram, the most poisonous creature on planet Earth. More lethal than a black mamba. More dangerous than the most feared scorpion. And the strangest part? It's only 2 inches long. This is Philobates terribilis. In Latin, the name says it all, the terrible one. But it's better known as the golden poison frog. And today you'll understand why it's the king of poisons. This tiny amphibian, which fits easily in the palm of your hand, though you should never do that, lives in an incredibly small patch of rainforest in Colombia, and it's hiding a chemical secret. Its poison is called batrachotoxin. It's one of the most potent neurotoxins known to science. Researchers estimate that a single frog, just 2 inches long, carries enough poison to kill between 10 and 20 adult humans. The lethal dose for a human is about 100 micrograms. That's the equivalent of 2 grains of table salt. The poison is so potent it doesn't even need to be injected. It's absorbed directly through the skin. But how does this toxin work? Basically, it shuts your body down. Batrachotoxin attacks your nervous system. It stops your nerves from transmitting electrical signals. This means your muscles become paralyzed. Your lungs stop breathing, and within minutes, your heart goes into cardiac arrest. There is no known antidote. And the scariest part, the frog doesn't need to bite or sting you. The simple act of touching it is enough for the poison to enter your bloodstream through a tiny cut or even your pores. But here comes the biggest plot twist of all. The frog itself doesn't produce the poison. It isn't born poisonous. It becomes poisonous. Science has discovered that the golden poison frog gets its toxin from its diet. It eats tiny beetles from a specific family, which are the real manufacturers of the poison. The frog eats the beetle, metabolizes the toxin, and stores it in glands in its skin. And the proof? Golden poison frogs raised in captivity, which eat a diet of crickets and fruit flies, are completely harmless. You could hold one in your hand with no problem. But please don't try that at home. Its vibrant color isn't just for show. It's a warning. In nature, this is called aposematism. It's screaming to the world, "I am dangerous, do not eat me." For centuries, the local indigenous people, like the Embera, knew about this power. They never ate the frog, but they used its poison with extreme care. They would gently heat the frog to make it sweat the poison, and then roll the tips of their hunting darts onto its skin. A single dart held enough poison to take down large animals, like monkeys or even jaguars. But here's the final irony. The most poisonous creature in the world is ironically in danger. The golden poison frog is listed as endangered. The destruction of its tiny habitat in Colombia from deforestation and mining means we are losing this toxic wonder before we even understand all its secrets. The Philobates terribilis is a fascinating reminder that in nature, size doesn't matter, and that the most beautiful things can be, by far, the most deadly. So, did you know about the golden assassin? What other deadly creature would you like to see covered here? Let me know your suggestions in the comments. And of course, if you learned something new, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!